rocket launcher, rocket launcher, rocket launcher, rocket launcher. I got a rocket launcher. This is so damn bonkers. You ain't safe nowhere, not even in your bunker. There ain't no hiding from me, cause this rocket launcher has the power of AI technology. It can follow you around the world till you're DAD. Yeah, that's right, that's how it's gonna be. Since I have a rocket launcher, I'ma grow a mustache so thick like Tom Tucker to be in disguise. Yeah, that's right, rocket launcher, rocket launcher, rocket launcher, rocket launcher.